There are lots of bad eggs being cooked on the internet these days. People are using the water test to check their pan temperatures. That's when drops of water sizzle as a pan heats up, and eventually they will roll around like little ball bearings when the pan is really hot. This can be a blunder that ruins nice over easy eggs. And while the water test might show a great temperature to sear a steak, often 430 degrees or higher, it's way too hot for a nice egg. In fact, up to 150 degrees too hot. If you add butter to your pan when the water rolls around, it browns, smokes, and burns in about 6 seconds before you can even get your egg in the pan. If you were to add an egg at this point, it might slide around like a hockey puck, but it will have the same color, taste, and texture of a hockey puck as well. Thankfully, there is a smarter and better way. Try a pan temperature between 270 and 310 degrees and see how it goes. This temperature puts you in the sweet spot where the pan is hot enough so that the eggs set up and release and slide without a spatula, yet not so hot that the butter burns or the egg whites turn into egg browns or blacks. If you don't have a pan thermometer, use the butter test instead of the water test. Add butter to your preheating pan. If your butter barely melts like this, the pan is too cold and your eggs will stick. If your butter explodes in a flash of steam and smokes and browns quickly, the pan is way too hot. If your butter melts like this and bubbles and crackles, the pan is just right. Add your egg once the bubbling abates. Let it set up. And boom, an over easy egg that sets up and releases. It slides without a spatula, but also cooks low and slow, producing a tender white that actually remains white. No browning, no burning, and unlike many internet eggs, this is one you might actually want to eat.